So if you use Google Chrome browser, you can have it translate all the web pages that are in English into other languages, in this case in Spanish. Si es que usted usa el navegador de Chrome hecho por Google, Google puede traducir todas las páginas de internet del inglés al español para usted. Así se hace. This is how you do it. If for some reason you didn't see your language listed, you just have to add it, agregar idiomas, or add languages. Besides going to the profile here and here, you can go to the three dots, los tres puntos. You can go to the three dots and configuración, which in English here would say settings. That's another way to get here and change the languages. Finally, you will see that the translation is not perfect. For example, in English this probably says, "Can't find what you're looking for? Send us a note. Your next, your tip could be our next assignment or homework, our next job." However, the word tip has multiple meanings, and unfortunately Google decided to translate it as gratuity. Your gratuity could be our next job. So it sounds really not right in Spanish. However, most of the translation is good. So, okay, thank you. Gracias.